Hello, my name is Michelle Gallagher and I'm back with a July property market update for Lancaster and Morecambe. Now, it's been 1 year since the Chancellor announced the stamp duty holiday, and what a year it's been. I really don't think anybody could have predicted property price increases as far as almost 10%. But what's causing these property price increases? Well, let's have a look. If we look at what's been happening over the course of the past 3 years, and to try and keep things clear, I've looked at 2019 compared to 2020 and 2021. Now, if we look at the property sales, which of course are very important if you're thinking of selling, you can see this increase from 71 to 85 to 110 in Lancaster. And over in Morecambe, a very similar story, 98 to 108 to 123. Bearing in mind July is normally the quieter months, this is quite good, very good figures, but don't forget the UK, many people are still obviously choosing to have a staycation. Now, what is a big concern locally is this number here with new properties coming available. You can see 2019, it was 109. It jumped in 2020, pent-up demand, people who delayed things due to lockdown now listing their homes for sale, plus the stamp duty announcement, but it's now dropped back to 101. Over in Morecambe, very similar story, 128, bit of an increase to 133, dropped back to 130. Not as noticeable until you start looking at these figures here for available stock. So available stock is basically the choice that a buyer has there on the market. You can see in 2019 in Lancaster, 555. A minor drop in 2020. It's plummeted in 2021. Morecambe, 748 in 2020. It's plummeted in 2021. And this is because there's a lack of new houses coming to the market, but property sales are up. It's decreasing the choice available. But the other problem, of course, is buyer demand. Now, if we look at this figure here, property views, this figure is actually almost treble in both towns. In 2019, the average property on Rightmove in LA1 was getting 37.4 views a day. There's less choice out there, of course, but now it's trebled to 125.2. That is a daily view in a house. Again, over in Morecambe, 35.3 in 2019, almost trebled to, 101.7. The buyers are keen, the buyers are out there looking. Our agency alone last month registered 270 new buyers on our system. We're on the 4th of August and we've registered just over 30 already in as many, 3 days. So, property prices, the bit that everybody wants to know about. In Lancaster, the average price is now £161,217. This is up by a whopping £1,912 on the month and 9.4% year on year. In Morecambe, prices are up even higher, £2,381 on last month and up 9.2% year on year. These prices are going upwards. Buyers are looking, there's a lack of choice. It's called supply and demand issues. So what can you do? Well, if you're thinking of selling, now is a great time. Nobody knows what the market's going to do next year, but if you are thinking of selling and maybe exiting the market, there's no better time than now. If you want to have a chat about what your options are, if you're thinking of buying, if you're thinking of selling, if you're thinking of buying for investment to rent out, please give us a call. My name's Michelle Gallagher, and you can call me on 01524 843322. This report is also in a written format, and you'll find it on the link below. But as I say, any questions, just ask me. I'm always here to help. Thanks then.